What? I don't need cable. No. DirecTV can come get their boxes directement.
The Haitian Culture Club, also known as HCC, is a registered school organization on the college campuses of Florida A&M University, Florida State University, and Tallahassee Community College. HCC welcomes members of all ages and of all racial, ethnic, national, religious, and cultural backgrounds. HCC offers many events and activities throughout the year that are conducted in English. HCC provides a Haitian home away from home for Haitian and Haitian American members of an opportunity for others to experience firsthand the rich and vibrant culture of Haiti. Members, prospective members, and friends are invited to participate in our many events and activities.
Fun and informative general body meetings are held weekly during the fall and spring semesters and bi-weekly during the summer semester. Various educational events to learn more about Haiti and its history and culture. HCC Week during the fall semester with activities including educational events, community service, talent show, dance, worship, service, concert, and banquet. HCC Mini Week during the spring semester, Mr. and Mrs. HCC pageant, fundraisers including food sale, performances, art exhibit, and more for both HCC and for Haitian causes, such as the Earthquake Relief Concert, and finally, community service events such as the annual Translation Service Project.
The Haitian Culture Club also has a dance troupe known as DT. Through intricate movements and routines, a couple or group demonstrates a style of music called compa. DT has performed and traveled to Orlando, Gainesville, Tampa, and participated in the National Conference competition in Washington, D.C. In a 5-month time span, DT's videos have been viewed over 78,000 times on YouTube. We now present to you the elegant and mature style of dancing, HCC DT.